There is one important difference as to how properties like life insurance, stocks, bonds, investment accounts, how they pass between one generation to another in Texas versus how they pass in India. So in Texas, for example, all these investment accounts and these transfer on death accounts and so on, they are governed by contract. So you could say that this particular life insurance account, the beneficiary is my friend Karthik, and that Karthik should get all the money. And that is good. Like in Texas, if you have that, then the money will actually go to Karthik because that is governed by contract. On the other hand, if you have, say, a demat account in India where you have shares and bonds and so on, and you have nominations in India, and if you nominate Karthik as your nominee, then in that case, Karthik, while the bank or the financial institution will release the money to Karthik, that does not mean that Karthik actually owns the money. Because if you have a separate will, then the person that you name in the will as to who will get that particular the amount in the demat account, that person will actually get the money, not Karthik. Even if you don't have a will, then the law that states that that your wife and your kids are your legal heirs, then they will take the money, not Karthik. As opposed to Texas, for example, where if you have a beneficiary on these accounts, then that beneficiary will take the money regardless of what you say in the will. The position is opposite in India. In India, if you have a will and you say that this property should go, or this account, or the money in this account should go to a particular person, it will go to them. Or if you don't have a will, then the government has an estate plan for all of us. If you don't have an estate plan, and as per law, whoever your legal heirs are, it will go to them, not to the person who's actually named as the nominee in these accounts.